Good morning, students. We will continue chapter 8. Today, we will study measurement of earthquakes, seismograph, the Richter scale, and the Mercalli scale are used to record and measure the direction and the intensity of the earthquake. Now, let's know about each instrument known as seismograph. It is used to record the direction of the waves, and this instrument has fan which vibrates with the earthquake waves to record the movements of the earthquake waves on the strip of the paper. Uh, this interval is then used, that is the interval between the P and S waves is calculated and is used to calculate the distance between the recording station and the epicenter. This is Richter scale, which measures the intensity of the earthquake on scale of 1 to 9. This was invented by Charles F. Richter, so known as Richter scale. It measures the about intensity with mathematical precision, and this is the most commonly used scale. This is showing the magnitude, means if this earthquake is of 0 to 2 magnitude on the Richter scale, it will not be felt by the people. So this is, here it's given magnitude of the Richter scale, and here are the effects of the earthquake on the particular magnitude. Mercalli scale. It grades the earthquake on the basis of observed effect on a 12-point scale, and it represents, this is the modified Mercalli intensity scale, which shows the intensity as numbers, numerical numbers here, and the effects here are, that is, if one, then instrumental deducted only by the instruments, like this. Then the rocks are disintegrated to form the soil. New landforms are formed, and when earthquake exerts pressure on the magma which is inside the earth and it comes in the contact with the water, it results in springs. Then due to earthquake, minerals also gets exposed to the earth's surface. Impacts of the earthquake are: first, tremendous loss of life and property. Collapse of transport, roads, railway, transport, bridges, etc. It causes fire also, forest fire you can say, landslides, floods, roads are blocked, disturbed because of the earthquakes. Earthquakes also have negative impact in the form of tsunamis. Tsunamis are large destructive seismic waves caused due to earthquake, volcanic eruption in the ocean. The word tsunami is the Japanese word made up of two words. Tsu means harbor and nami means waves. So these occur most frequently in the Pacific Ocean, but are a global phenomena. Then flash flood. Flash flood means strong shocks wave damage dams and embankments. As a result, river starts flowing and gets diverted from its original course, resulting in a flash flood, which washes away the houses and the vehicles, means heavy losses there, which causes damage to the life and property. Around the Pacific Ocean, this is mid-Atlantic belt in the Atlantic Ocean, and this belt is known as Alpine Himalayan belt or mid-mountain belt. The idea is good on where an earthquake is mostly likely to hit, but they still can't tell exactly when it will happen. However, probably the feature of earthquake can be calculated based on scientific data. Prediction is very difficult. Regions at risk can be identified through plate tectonics. Attempts to predict earthquake are unreliable, but still, methods include monitoring groundwater level, means the groundwater will start shaking. The release of random gas. There is a particular gas, this is a particular gas which will release before the earthquake. So unusual animal